Hello everyone, I will explain this code which solve the knapsack problem using recursion. The goal of this program is to find the maximum value that can fit inside knapsack without exceeding its weight capacity. For function knapsack, tungkol sa taas na function knapsack rec WTN, this function is called knapsack rec recursive function siya, meaning tinatawag niya yung sarili niya. It has four parameters. W, ito yung remaining capacity ng knapsack. At ang val, array ng values ng item. At ang WT, array ng weights ng item. At ang N naman, number of item available. Basically, check nito kung alin ang mga items na ang dapat kunin para makuha ang maximum value. Sa base case naman, itong nasa taas na if n equals 0 at w equals 0, return 0, this is the best case. Dalawang condition. If n equals 0, ibig sabihin wala nang items na pwedeng piliin. At if w equals 0, ibig sabihin puno na yung knapsack. So in both cases, wala nang value na madadagdag kaya magre-return siya sa 0. At sa pick variable naman, itong code na nasa taas natin na let pick 0 ay equal 0. This variable stores that the value we decide to pick the current item, sa simula nakaset na siya sa 0. At sa pick condition natin, itong code na nasa taas na if WTN -1, yan po na nasa taas. This condition checks if the current item fit in the knapsack. If yung weight ng item is less than or equal to remaining capacity, pwede natin siyang piliin. If pinili natin siya, add the value of the item. Then, call the function again, pero babawasan na natin yung capacity. And, babawasan din yung number of items. Excuse me. This is recursion. Sa not pick option, yung code na nandito po sa taas, let not pick knapsack rec, yan po, is this represent the option na hindi natin pipiliin yung item. So, tatawagin ulit natin yung function, pero same capacity and reduce lang yung number of items. Meaning, skip lang natin yung current item. Sa return the maximum naman po, yung code dito sa return mat dot max pick not pick, yan po. Kinukuha natin yung alin sa ang mga malaking value. Ang value if we pick the item and value if we do not pick the item. Then we return the maximum. This ensure na makuha natin yung best possible value. At sa main knapsack function natin, itong function knapsack with wval wt, yan po. This is the main function. Kinukuha niya yung number of item using val and length. Then, tinatawag niya yung recursive function. Excuse me. This start the whole process. Sa driver code po natin itong nasa taas na let val 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 1 sa WT at sa W4. Here we define the example values. Values are 1, 2, 3 and weights are 4, 5, 1 and the knapsack capacity is 4. Ang output natin itong sa taas na console.log knapsack wval and wt. This line calls the function and print the result. The program calculates the maximum value that can fit inside the knapsack without exceeding the weight limit. In summary, this program uses recursion to try two choices for every item. Pick the item or do not pick the item. Then it selects the best choice using mathmax. This ensures we got the maximum possible values inside the knapsack. This approach is called the recursive solution to the 0 to 1 knapsack problem. Thank you po.